Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make circle drawing, full guide. Start by choosing a compass or a string and pencil to set your radius and anchor point. Keep your hand relaxed and your wrist steady while drawing to avoid wobble. I will walk you through measured, traced, and freehand techniques, plus tips for perfecting edges, creating arcs, and combining circles into complex shapes for projects and sketches. Measured circles are ideal when precision matters, so secure your compass and set the radius carefully. Place the point at the center and rotate with a smooth, consistent motion while keeping the pencil upright. Avoid lifting or adjusting mid-stroke to prevent gaps. I will show small adjustments for different paper types and how to use a protractor or ruler to transfer exact measurements for perfect geometric work and technical drawings. Freehand and tracing methods give you flexibility and speed for art and craft projects. Start with light arcs to map the curve, then refine by blending and erasing excess marks for a clean outline. For larger circles, loop a string and pencil around a fixed center to trace a steady circumference. I will give tips for shading, smoothing joins, and using templates to speed up repeatable circle creation for designs and illustrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.